Welcome to the channel. Puprime, what's its ASIC requirements? Let's find out.
All right, everyone, welcome to the channel. So we're going to go over what this means. Puprime ASIC. Now, you might not know what that is, so don't worry. We're going to go over all of the details, and I'm going to break down how this works. We'll also take a look at Puprime, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence. Don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right, so as we can see, what does it stand for? The abbreviation is the Australian Securities Investments Commission. And what this is an independent government body, and it regulates Australia's financial markets and their services industry. So what does it entail? Well, there's a lot of information here, but the primary role is to enforce laws that protect consumers, investors, creditors, and ensure that Australia's financial markets are fair, they're transparent, and efficient. And it has a scope of regulation. You can see the enforcement activities here, but its scope of regulation oversees a wide variety of entities. This includes companies, corporate governance, compliance with Corporations Act of 2001. It also has financial markets and licensing, supervision of market operators like Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, ensuring fair, transparent trading, and preventing insider trading, market manipulation. Then we also have financial services and organization professionals. They just do licensing, monitoring, financial advice or deals, and finally consumer credit, with the regulation of different entities that involve credit activities. And that's under the National Consumer Credit Protection Act of 2009. Now, who do they report to? They report to the Treasurer of the Australian government, and they have a relationship with regulators. ASIC works alongside other key financial regulators in Australia, and they include the Reserve Bank of Australia, the RBA, and they also include the Australian Prudential Regulation Authority, the APRA, and they're part of a council of financial regulators from the Council for Financial Regulations, which is CFR. So that is what it is in a nutshell. You can find more about the regulatory resources here for business, for finance professionals, for consumers, and about ASIC. So hopefully that presents a good understanding. Let's go to Puprime now and understand more. So we have Puprime. Now, how does this work with what we just talked about? It has a unique selling position, or a USP. You might have heard this, but what does it mean? It can be broken down on focusing what makes this different from other competitors. So why would you use this as a broker as opposed to other stuff? Well, competitive trading conditions with low costs. This has tight spreads, low commissions, structure across various types, aiming to provide traders with cost-effective trading in their environment and maximize their profitability, which is good. We can also find the legal documentation and all the information here. You can see all the trading products that you can use from Forex, indices, metals, ETFs, bonds. It offers the industry-leading MetaTrader, or MT5. Now, MT5 is a platform alongside their own user-friendly and innovative proprietary mobile app, catering to both advanced and technical analysis for seamless mobile trading on the go. And this helps focus the modern trader with the best features by actively developing features that are integrated and designed for today's dynamic markets. This includes robust copy trading, functionalities for proprietary apps, and also social interaction with strategy sharing, as you can see here, MT5. And there's a strong emphasis on client experience and support. We can see that they have extremely good reviews here at Puprime. There's no stone left unturned. As we can see, the reviews are great on Google, Trustpilot, App Store, and Google Play, with fast and reliable execution, making sure everything is done. Vast array of trading instruments. It's not just cryptocurrency, or it's not just stocks. You have Forex, metals, indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, bonds. You think of it, you can trade it. And then a commitment to innovation. And that is simply Puprime demonstrating a forward-thinking approach by upgrading its platform and services to meet the evolving needs of the trading community. Finally, you have flexible account types. You might think, well, I just have to have, one account. Well, no, you can have multiple different types of accounts. As we can see here, there's different types of accounts. You can have standard, prime, or ECN, as we can see right here. So you can also see the preferred markets. and those offer different spreads, commissions, structures, and diverse trading styles based on your preferences. So that is, in a nutshell, ASIC, what it means, and the unique selling position of puprime. I hope this information was helpful to you. If it was, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.